course. So in today's session we will just continue with what we have done with the drills. So I'll just explain you the drills. This drill is basically for the classes 6 to 8 and 9 10s, the grown-up ones. In fact, the 3 to 5 group can also do, but not all of them. So I'm going to tell you how to do this drills today. But this drill is the follow-up of what drills we have already learned. Alright, so as you can see, there are 4 markers here. So that, as I've already told you, that in spite of these 4 markers, you can keep 4 bottles, which will help you to just keep a marker. So what we do in the first drill is, I'll just show you how it is done first, okay? Start. So this is called duck walking, okay? This is called duck walking. So remember, this duck walk is something which is very important for your thighs. Stop. Why I'm saying thighs? Because when you kick, this is the strongest part which you need. This should be very strong to keep a good balance in your hip, and when you're striking the kick, it should go hard. Alright? So this duck walk is very, very, very important to keep your thighs strong, your hip strong. Okay? I'll just I will just show it to you once again with the duck walk. So see, you just need to twist your hip also simultaneously, keep your head straight, swing your arms, see this. Your hip also gets twisted at the same time. See. So you need to go with a good twist of your head. Okay. So this is the first drill that you need to do. This is duck walk, a normal duck walk. Everyone knows duck walk, how to do it. I won't say you people to do it for 10 rounds or 8 rounds or 12 rounds. No. Keep it very simple. Since you are at home, obviously you're going to do all your warm-up before you do all these drills, because these drills are a little tough. Okay? So this drill can be done maybe 3 times for the juniors, 3 rounds actually, 5 rounds maximum. Okay? Not in one go. You can take some rest in between and do this drill. So take your time and do this. No need to do it very quickly. You are not going for Olympic gold medal. Okay? You are just doing it for your fitness, your stamina. So improving your stamina. So this was the first drill, the duck walk drill, which you can do it, as I said, for 3 rounds, 3 full circle, or 5 rounds maximum. Okay? Going on to the second drill, another easy one. Little bit of explosive training we call it. This is the frog jump. You can keep your hands on the floor and you can pull it with your hands. Pull it with your hands. So this is how you can do frog jump. Frog jump is you need to keep your hands on the floor and pull it with your hands. Okay? You need to pull it with your hands. Watch again. Hands on the floor. Now pull yourself with the hands. Yes. You need to leap like this. Watch. Yeah. So this is frog jump. Very easy drill. Duck walk is a little tough, children, but frog jump is good, easy, and it comes under the explosive training where your full body is moved. You need to have a good stamina and good power to do this. As I said, 3 rounds for the juniors, 2 5 rounds maximum for the seniors. Keep this in mind. Don't try to do excessive training. Do whatever is being guided to you. Don't do it on your own. Maybe 10 rounds or 12 rounds. Please don't do this. I request you. Follow the instructions. Do it accordingly. Okay? The third drill. The third drill is you just need to go, reach the half and do 5 push-ups. And then go back. And then reach the end. And then do 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you jog. This is your halfway. You can keep 5 markers if you want, so that you keep the center one as the half. So from the starting point, you come to the half. You do 5 push-ups. Then you jog back. Remember, don't turn around and jog. Just simply jog back, and then come to the end to do another 5 push-ups. Okay? Watch again. Keep it very relaxed, very calm when you are doing all these things. No need to do it in a very fast or Superman. Okay? Watch it. You go halfway, Go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You jog back, and then you come forward again to the end, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and jog back. See, remember, we all are just trying to improve our stamina and immunity system. It doesn't mean that sir has told 5, I will do 10 or 20. I know you can do more than that, but 5 is a standard one. So make sure you do these standard movements. Again, as I say, 3 rounds minimum, 5 rounds maximum. So which means after 5 rounds you will already be finished with 50 push-ups. So do it in breaks. Do it like this so that you be comfortable when you're doing the next round. Take a break in between the rounds, obviously 30 seconds to 45 seconds break, and then you proceed to the next one. Now the fourth drill for the day, which I'm going to show you. The fourth drill is, again, the same way, coming half, and then you put your hands on your head and you do your squats 5 times. Only 5 children. And then you jog back, come to the end, and do 5 again. 3, 4, 5, and jog back the same. See, why I'm making you jog is, if you're doing squats continuously, your thighs become very stiff, which will result to a pain in your hamstring, your thighs, your knees. So obviously, I don't want you people to get injured or get into pain. Follow my instructions, nothing will happen. Come up halfway, do the squats, back, to the end, squats, back. This drill is to be done in a very, very relaxed way. Let's see this one more time with the squats. Go. Come halfway, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return back, and then end, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you jog. Easy. As I say, 3 rounds for the juniors, maximum 5 rounds for the seniors. Coming to the last round of the drill. The same way, coming halfway. Okay? Start. You come halfway, lie down, and you do 5 crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jog back. Come to the end and do 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you drop. That's it. So these 5 drills comes under explosive training, which is very important for your body at times. It little bit includes into cardio, but we are doing this for the better sake of our whole body. That's why these 5 drills, which I have taught you today, you must practice at home. Okay? As I said again, 3 rounds for the juniors to maximum 5 rounds for the seniors. Okay? Keep practicing this. Keep practicing this. And a reminder again, before you begin this drill, you need to do your warming up. Especially the stretching part, which we have done already. The leg swing, the hip swing, the split ones, everything. Alright? So keep on the practice going.